Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your color settings in Windows 10 or 11. It's a very simple process. You have to come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button, and then you just need to click on settings over here. After that, you just need to come for your system and then click on display. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the option into the related setting called advanced display. Click on advanced display and then click on display adapter properties for display 1. Click on that. And now if you close your background app, and now if you just click on color management and then click on color management another time, and here you just need to click on advanced setting, and from here you just need to click on change system defaults. You just need to click on advanced, and from here you just need to click on this use Windows display calibration. And now if you click on close everything, click OK. And now if you simply restart your PC, after restarting your PC, your Windows calibration or your color setting will be resetted. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.